How to make a crew logo in Blox Fruits. So first what you want to do is just go to the Roblox website right here. Then click on the Create button here at the top navigation bar, and this will bring you right here. Then what you need to do now is just simply click on Creations. Then go to Development Items. And here you will see decals and images, so you could upload your own decals right here. So as you can see, you could upload, and here you could also upload images. So it says here that image can only be generated by the system. Upload the decal to add images to your inventory. So just go to decals, then click on upload asset. And here, just make sure that your format is on JPEG, PNG, TGA, and BMP. And the decal uploads must be smaller than 8000 by 8000 and will be downsized if larger than 1024 by 1024. So the max size per file is 20 megabytes. And once you're here, just simply click on the upload button. Then click on the file that you have. You could also make your own crew logo by going to Canva and designing it on your own. But for me, I just got something from the internet. So just click on it, click on open. As you can see, it is right there. And here you could name your decal and also the description. And once you're done, just simply click on the upload button right here. And wait for it to load. And now as you can see, mine is right here. And you could also have a pre-made one. And to do that, you just simply need to go to the store here at the top. And then go to images right here. Now you could search for images that you want. You could also search for something, let's say pirate. And as you can see, there are tons right here. Let's say I want this, so just gotta click on that. Then once you're here on this page, just simply need to click on the get decal option right there. And as you can see, this item has been added to your inventory. And what you need to do is go back to roblox.com. Wait for it to load, then go to your inventory here on the left side. Then click on the decals option. And here you can pick whatever you want. So you could pick the one that you've uploaded, or you could pick this decal right here. So simply click on that, then copy the link here at the top URL. Then go back to Roblox, open up Blox Fruits, and make sure that you pick Pirate, since only pirates can create their own crew. So click on Pirates right here. Once you're here, just simply click on the skull icon here on the left side, just besides to the right of the gear icon or the settings icon. And this will load, and what you need to do is just simply paste the link that you had. As you can see, it will automatically be added. And that's how you basically make a crew logo in Blox Fruits.